Oh, that's... Oh! Hello! Oh! Is it that time? Is it baby class time? Oh, right. Well, hello. How are you? Are you well? Are you? Are you ready for English class? Yeah. Fantastic. So shall we stand up and start the class? Come on then. Let's start the class. Okay, everyone. Make sure you're standing up. And it's time to start the class with the hello song. Are you ready? Here we go. Fingers ready, arms ready, legs ready. Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, everyone. Okay, everyone, it's time to wake up Teddy. So what do we have to do? Do you remember? We have to go 1, 2, 3. No, no. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's Teddy. But Teddy? Who's in my box? If you were over there. Oh, he says we have to knock. Okay, well, hello, Teddy. We'll put you down there. Shall we knock and find out who's in my box today? Are you ready? So 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Wake up, whoever's in the box. Nothing. Can you help again? 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Wake up, who's ever in the box. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3 bears in my box. Oh my goodness me. 1 bear, 2 bears, and 3 bears. It's Mummy, Daddy, and Baby. Oh, look at that. Let's put Daddy and Mummy and Baby Bear. They were in the box. And look, they've also brought their bowls. A small bowl, a medium-sized bowl, and a big bowl. Look at that. Small, medium, large. Very large, big bowl. And of course, don't forget the porridge. Let's give a small amount of porridge to Baby, a medium-sized amount to Mummy, and a big amount to Daddy. Well, there we are. Well, that was funny, wasn't it? Baby, Mummy, and Daddy were in Teddy's box, and they've brought their lovely porridge for breakfast. Yum, yum. Okay, everyone, we're going to sing another song that I think you Well, no. There's a mummy, a daddy, and a baby. They're big and small, and they like to swim. Let's see. Why don't you stand up and let's sing this song. Let's see if you know it. Ooh. I think we're in the sea. Yes, we are. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mama shark, doo 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 doo. Mama shark, doo 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 doo. Mama shark, doo 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 doo. Mama shark. Papa shark, doo 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 doo. Papa shark, doo 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 doo. Papa shark, doo 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 doo. Papa shark. Grandma shark, doo 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 doo. Grandma shark, doo 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 doo. Grandma shark, doo 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 doo. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark, doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark, doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark. Hungry sharks, doo 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 doo. Hungry sharks, doo 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 doo. Hungry sharks, doo 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 doo. Hungry sharks. Little fish. Little fish. Little fish. Little fish. Swim away, sharks. Oh no! Swim away. Swim away. Swim away. Shark. Swim faster. Do 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 do. Swim faster. Do 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 do. Swim faster. Do 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 do. Swim faster. Shark. Faster. Swim faster. Swim faster. Swim faster. Shark. Faster. Swim faster. Swim faster. Faster. Safe at last. Safe at last. Safe at last. Ooh. Safe at last. Oh. Oh, bye-bye, sharks. Bye-bye, sharks. Bye-bye, sharks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sharks. Bye-bye, sharks.
Bye-bye, sharks.
Bye. Oof, we escaped those sharks. Wow, they were very big, weren't they? Oh my goodness me! What a mess! Look, guys, what a mess! My goodness me! Big things, small things, medium things, everywhere. Daddy, Mummy, Baby Bear, what a mess! Now, can you help me find big things for Daddy, medium things for Mummy, and small things for Baby? Let's see. Can you see a ball? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Can you see a ball? There's one. It's a big... No, it's a small ball. I think small balls are for Baby. Here's a very big bouncy ball. This ball is for Daddy. And look, a medium-sized ball for Mummy. There we are, Mummy. Very good. Now, what next? Beep, beep. A car. Can you see a big car? Beep, beep. For Daddy. Car. Car. Big car! Wow! That's a big car for Daddy. Let's give it to Daddy. Here you are, Daddy. A very big car. Wow! It's enormous. And this car. Medium size for Mummy. And a small mini car for Baby. What's next? Oh, how about a book? A story. Can you see a small story for Baby Bear? Story, story, small story. Very small story for Baby. Big book for Daddy. Oh, it's a very big book. There you are, Daddy. Wow, so many big things, huh? And a medium-sized book for Mummy. Can you see a spoon? 1, 2, 3 spoons. Can you see a big spoon? Look at that big spoon! The big spoon is for Baby. For Mummy? For Daddy? Yes, it's for Daddy. Daddy gets the big spoon. And a medium-sized spoon. That one. A medium-sized spoon for Baby. For Mummy. Yes, there you are, Mummy. And a small spoon for Baby. Now look. 1, 2, 3 bowls. Let's see. The big bowl. Yeah, that one is for Mummy. No. Baby? No. Daddy? Yes, Daddy gets that bowl. So many big things. And the medium bowl is for Baby. No, not Baby. It's for Mummy. And the small bowl is for Baby. All tidy. Small, medium, big. Thank you for helping. Okay, I think it's time for another song. And this song we need our hands. We need to open and shut our hands. And we're also going to go big and small. Are you ready? Here we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Here comes big and small. Are you ready? Big and small, big and small. Big, 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 small, small, small. Big big and small. Big, 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 small, small, small. What's next? Please. No, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, 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 no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, 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 no, thank you. Oh, fast and slow, just like the sharks. Fast and slow, fast and slow. Fast, 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 slow, slow, slow. Fast and slow, fast and slow. Fast, 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 slow, slow, slow.
Loud.
Loud, quiet. Loud and loud and quiet. Loud, 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 loud. Shh, quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud, 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 loud. Shh, quiet.
Peek-a-boo.
Peek-a-boo. Peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo. 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 Peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo. Okay, everyone, sit down, listen, and shh. It's story time. It's story time. And today's story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time lived Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. One day, Goldilocks went for a walk. Walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. She found a house. She knocked on the door. Nobody answered, and she went inside. At the table were 3 bowls of porridge. Daddy's big bowl, Mummy's medium bowl, and Baby's small bowl. She tasted the big bowl first. Oh, too salty, she said. Then she tasted Mummy's one. Medium bowl. Oh, too sweet, she said. Then she tasted the small bowl, Baby's bowl. Oh, it was perfect. And she ate it all up. Oh, Goldilocks felt tired. Oh. She walked into the living room and saw 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3. She sat in the big chair. It was too big. She sat in the medium chair. But it was too big. She sat in the small chair. It was just right. Oh no! Goldilocks broke the chair. Poor Baby. Goldilocks was very tired. So she went to the bedroom. First she tried Daddy's big bed, but it was too hard. Then she tried Mummy's
medium bed, but it was too soft. Then she tried baby's small bed. It was just right. And she fell asleep. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home. Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, growled Daddy Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said Mummy Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge. It's all gone, cried Baby Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, growled Daddy Bear. Someone's been sitting in my bed, said Mummy Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, and it's broken, cried Baby Bear. When they went upstairs, Daddy Bear growled, Someone's been sleeping in my bed. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Mummy Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, and she's still there, cried Baby Bear. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw 3 bears. Help! She screamed. And Goldilocks ran down the stairs as fast as she could, fast, into the forest. And she never went back into the woods again. And that is the end of the story.
Now, in the story, we saw 1, 2, 3 bowls of porridge. And look what I've got. I've got 1, 2, 3 bowls of porridge. A small bowl for baby, a medium bowl for mummy, and a big bowl for daddy. Red, yellow and blue. And look. Porridge. Yum, yum, yum. Now, let's see if you can make this at home. Let's have a look at what we need to do. Come down, look. First of all, we need to colour our 3 bowls. Baby's bowl is red. And we'll go lots and lots of red. Mummy's bowl is yellow. And we need yellow for that. Yellow. And Daddy's bowl is blue. And we need blue. And you need to colour and colour until you've got blue, yellow and red. Now, here comes the fun bit. Are you ready? For the fun bit, we need some glue and some porridge. Let's have a look at what we need to do. Now, first get your glue. Let's see. Let's see how much glue. Oh, wow, so much glue. White glue. We're going to get our brush and we're going to go glue. And a bit more. Glue, 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 glue. And a bit more. Glue, 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 glue. All over. Oh. Then we get our porridge. And we're going to do this. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. A little bit more. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And press, 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 press. Then we do babies. Glue, 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 glue. And sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And press, 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 press. And now we'll do daddies. Glue, 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 glue. Glue, 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 glue. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And press, 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 press. And here comes the magic. Oh, pick it up. Are we ready? And shake, shake, shake. And now we've got 3 bowls of porridge. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Okay everyone, that's the end of the class. And it's time to say bye-bye. To say bye-bye to Teddy and bye-bye to you. So everybody stand up and let's sing the bye-bye song. Here we go.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet.
Stampy, 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 stamp.
I can clap my hands.
Clap, 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 clap.
I can stamp my feet.
Stampy, 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 stamp.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, good.
Get ready for the jump.